Hey everyone, and welcome back to the ARKA 360's training circuit. Today we are going to talk about one of our most powerful tools and a popular feature of our ARKA 360 OS, which is the dashboard page. So this is the first page that you'll see when you log in. You can do a lot with this tool. What you can do is you can look at all of your data across the board from different aspects of the solar sales reps, financial, where your deals are, from lead creation to permitting to proposal to install, everything like that, all with inside the software. And the best part is you can completely customize it based off your role, based off your area, and based off what you need to see. So the first one that we see here is you can create all these different dashboards. Super easy to do. You can either customize the dashboard that we provide for you by clicking down, clicking this little pencil button, and it goes into the edit feature of our dashboard. You can edit these widgets, you can edit these different graphs here, you can click on them, you can change pretty much everything about this, from what graph you're seeing, where they're coming from, what type of widget you want to see. You can click here, you can rename them, you can look at the lead source, everything like that. So you can help create this. You can do it yourself, or if you would prefer that we do it for you, schedule a time with us to create it for you. We can create them for you, your sales reps, so that your sales reps can see their tasks, their leads, how much money they have in the pipeline, their cancellation rate, their close rate, whatever you want to see, we can build it for you inside of our software. So hit the link below if you guys want to schedule a demo with us to build out your own, or if you have any questions, anything you want to see in these videos, leave a comment and let us know, and we'll address it in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.